Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video, we will see the questions of exercise 10.1 of class 6th. Its question number 11 is a piece of string. String means a piece of wire, a piece of rope, whatever the piece is there. The piece of string is 30 centimeter long. So the total length of the string is 30 centimeter. This straight wire is given with the length of 30 centimeter. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form? Okay, we want to take the length of each side if the string is used to form. First is a square. It means in the question is telling us we have the string whose measurement, whose length is 30 centimeter. Out of this 30 centimeter, we have to make different figures and we want to take each side of that figure. So whatever the figure we will make, its perimeter will be 30 centimeter, because out of this 30 centimeter, after folding this 30 centimeter, we will get a square or we will get an equilateral triangle. So whenever we want to make the square, its total length, total perimeter will be the 30 centimeter. Okay, 30 centimeter. It means the perimeter of square is 30 centimeter, and we know the perimeter of square formula is 4 into side. Already given 4 into side, which is perimeter, is equal to 30 centimeter. This 4 is here in the multiplication, so opposite side this 4 multiplication will go in the 4 division. When we will divide 30 by 4, okay, so in the table of 4, 30 will not come, but just less than 30, 28 is coming 7 times. 30 minus 28 is 2. Now we have to divide this 2 by 4, so we are putting here 0. When we are putting 0, according to our choice, on that time we have to put decimal. And in the table of 4, 20 comes 5 times, and 20 minus 20 is nothing. So the side length will be 7.5 centimeter each. Okay, so each side of the square is 7.5 centimeter. Now its B is an equilateral triangle. The equilateral triangle is the triangle whose all sides are equal. All sides are equal. This we have to find. So that the perimeter of equilateral triangle is, what will be the equilateral triangle perimeter is? Already given that when we make this triangle, its total length is 30 centimeter, because this triangle is making by the string, and the string total length is 30 centimeter. So that the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 30 centimeter. I already explained that the equilateral triangle is the triangle who is having 3 equal sides. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into side, and already opposite side we have 30 centimeter. Here 3 is in the multiplication, so opposite side it will go in the division, and when 30 will divide by 3, it will give us 10 centimeter each. Okay, it means out of 30 centimeter, 10 centimeter is here, 10 centimeter is here, and 10 centimeter is here, and you can see all are equal to each other. Now its C is a regular hexagon. We know hexagon is the figure having 6 equal sides. Okay, 6 equal sides. So this its figure will look like this. Okay, this side is equal to this, they all are equal to each other. So already given in the question, perimeter of hexagon is 30 centimeter. And how many equal sides we have? 6 sides. So its formula of perimeter of regular hexagon is 6 into side, and in the opposite side we have 30 centimeter. This 6 is here in the multiplication, so opposite side it will go in the division. And when 30 will divide by 6, it will give us 5 centimeter each, because in the table of 6, 30 comes 5 times. So 5 centimeter is here, 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 5 centimeter is here. When you add all of them, again you will get 30 centimeter. Now the question number 12. Two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. What is the figure is here? Triangle. So firstly we will make here the figure triangle. Its two sides are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. So let's suppose this is 12 centimeter and this is 14 centimeter. This side is not given. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. What is given extra? The perimeter of triangle is 36 centimeter. What we have to find? What is its third side? The third side which is not given, this we have to find. We already know the perimeter is the sum of all sides. So firstly we will put their vertex name A, B, C. So what is perimeter? Perimeter of any figure is sum of all sides. Okay. So sum of all sides is equal to 36 centimeter. So first side is AB. AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 36 centimeter, because when we add all the side we will get perimeter. The length of AB is 14, the BC is 12, and CA that we don't have, that's why CA will remain as it is, and 36 centimeter as it is. 14 and 12, when you add them you will get 26 plus CA is equal to 36. You can see 26 is here in the addition. 26 is here in the addition. When it will jump on the opposite side, it will change its symbol. So 36, 26 when will go opposite side, so it will go in the subtraction. What is remaining here? Here is remaining the term as CA. So when we subtract 26 from 36, we will get 10 centimeter, which is the length of third side is equal to 10 centimeter. So this is the solution of 12. Question number 13 is find the cost of fencing. What we have to find? Cost of fencing. A square park. Park is there, but the shape of park is square. So that the shape of park is square. So this is the park. Of side 250 meter. Of side 250 meter. It means the one side of the park is 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. Okay. If the question is saying us only one side, so simply we will multiply 250 by 20. But we have to find the cost of fencing a square park. All over the square park fencing we have to find. It means fencing will be on the perimeter. So what we will take out firstly? Firstly we will take out the perimeter of square park. Okay, so already given here the side of square park is 250 meter. So that the perimeter of square park is 4 into side. So this 4 will multiply 250, and when we multiply 4 and 250 we will get 1000, and the unit will be meter. Okay, and the cost of fencing is rupees 20 per meter. This is the cost of 1 meter. Okay, cost of fencing rupees 20 per meter. But we have how many meter? We have 1000 meter. So this 1000 will multiply by 20 rupees and it will give us 20,000 rupees. It means when we do the fencing of the square park whose side is 250 at the rate of 20 per meter, we have to pay 20,000 rupees. Now the question number 14, this is exactly same as the question number 13, previous question. In the previous question we have a square park, but in this question we have rectangular park. So let's see the question. Question is, find the cost of fencing. Same what we have to do, fencing. What we have to find? Cost of fencing. A rectangular park. So this is the rectangular park. This rectangular park's fencing we will do. Okay, whose length is 175 meter. Length is 175 meter and breadth is 125 meter. At the rate of rupees 12 per meter. Okay, at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. We want to do the fencing at all over the boundary. So firstly we will take all over the boundary, it means perimeter. So that the length is 175 meter and the breadth is 125 meter. So that the perimeter of rectangular park is 2 into length plus breadth. So this 2 will multiply length is 175 plus 125. When we add 175 and 125 we will get 300 and 2 into 3 is 600 as it is. Unit will be meter. So this is the total length of the rectangular park all around the boundary. What we have to find? We have to find the cost of fencing. So firstly we have to write here cost of fencing is rupees 12 per meter. But this 12 is only 1 meter. This 12 is only for 1 meter. But we have 600 meter. That's why 600 will multiply by 12 and 12 6 are 72 and 00 as it is. So that the total cost of the fencing of rectangular park is 7,200 rupees. Now the question number 15 is, Sweetie runs around a square park. A girl name is here whose name is Sweetie, who is running around the square park whose side is 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park. So another girl is came in the question whose name is Bulbul. She is running in the rectangular park with the length 60 meter and breadth is 45 meter. Who covers less distance? So who is covering less distance? That we have to find. So firstly we will do here for Sweetie. Okay, for Sweetie. Sweetie is running around the square park. So firstly we will make here square park. Okay, this is the square park around the sweetie is running. The side of the square park is 75 meter. Okay, so firstly side of square park is 75 meter. So perimeter of square park is 4 into side. So this 4 will multiply by 75, and when we multiply 75 by 4, it will give us 300 meter. Okay, now this is the distance covered by sweetie. So total distance covers by sweetie is 300 meter, because 75 is here, 75 is here, 75 is here, and 75 is here. From the starting point she covered 300 meter. Now for the next girl whose name is Bulbul. Okay, Bulbul is running around the rectangular park. Bulbul is running around the rectangular park whose length is 60 meter and breadth is 45 meter. Okay, so let's take out how much the Bulbul is running. So length is 60 meter, breadth is 45 meter. So let's take out the all around the boundary of the park. Okay, so for that here we have rectangular park, so that perimeter of rectangular park is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so 2 into length is 60, breadth is 45. Okay, so this 2 will multiply 60 plus 45 is 105, and 105 will multiply by 2, it will give us 110 meter. So this is the distance, this is the total distance covers by Bulbul. Okay, is 210 meter. So main question is who covers less distance? Who covers less distance? Sweetie covers 300, Bulbul covers 210. Simply we can write here Bulbul covers less distance. Okay, this is the main answer of the question, that Bulbul covers the less distance. So here we completed till question number 15. Remaining question we will see in the next video.